Hello everyone, my name is Azamta, and for over a week now, I have been learning Redux toolkit, and oh my god, it wasn't an easy journey, but with consistency and showing up every day, I was able to build a to-do list. Let me just call it a mini but functional to-do list. Yeah, all up right there. So a mini but functional to-do list. And so today I decided to document the process by recording, like rebuilding the process, like coding it live. I'll be recording from my phone and also kind of doing a screen record from my system while coding the process. So this is just like a form of documenting my process, my journey, and documenting the process of learning the React and Redux toolkits. So without much further ado, let's dive right into the video. So guys, this is me. It's just that the light you're seeing is from my phone. I'm using it to record the video. So let's dive right into coding. So now I've gone to the browser. I want to show you how it looks like. Nothing to see here. So now let's start coding. I'm not sure whether I'm going to actually talk a lot because of my system, and secondly my phone. I don't have much storage. So let's first of all, here after creating the component, coming to the components, I have one component here, and inside this component I have the to-do slice. Slice it helps to break your state into smaller pieces that is more manageable. And inside another this src folder, we have another folder, state, and inside the state we have the store where you store your states so that you're using it in other places. So now let's first of all create our store. Let's come to the store. Now we have to import store.configure. Let me just not stock and let's code along. So yeah, I have to just turn off the screen recording from the system because the lighting was just blocking myself, like blocking my view, so I couldn't see properly. I have to just stop it. So I'm just editing this video and I just like want to chip in, like while creating the initial state, I like due to the screen look like while rushing so that my phone storage, I didn't know that the initial state, the air is supposed to be encapsulators. So later in this video I also, that is the things that with bug let's just call it, was a bit bug for me because the code couldn't run, so I have to just check and cross check why it wasn't run. So I have to go to the console. It's also in this video. I have to go to the console and check, and it says that the initials couldn't run, so I have to go back and then change the s. Then I said, oh my god, the s, no wonder. I was like, I have capital S, but I was too fast, like okay, my phone camera just turned off. So let's continue. Payload due to overheating. That's what it's saying to me. So now the next thing we're going to create is our toggle to do, where you have state, action. I hope this thing is recording very well. Okay. Now slice to the slice. We are done with everything here. Now, let's go and write our app. So let's come here and do RC. In here, we're going to create our state. Let's say input, set input. We have free state. Now after that, we're going to call in. So now let's go over to the. I hope this needs integrating. So now let's continue. So we're going to give this a class name. Already I have styled it just to save us time. So we're going to use it according to the time that we have here. Look at it in the CSS. So this is what we have to do container. So to save us time. Now let's continue. So after that, we're going to have a H1 that will contain the styling that we have in the CSS. So here we're going to say Redux toolkit to do What it is supposed to be working. Okay, let's inspect what the console is saying. I'll catch this first. Okay, let's check what we have in there. I think maybe because I was rushing a bit. Key value. Did we put any value here again? No. By initials, if the state first the user is undefined, must split return the initial. The initial state may not define if you have store. So the select reduces okay to those return undefined till in initialization. Okay. So the code couldn't run because of the syntax error in using small s after the first small letter. So I'm supposed to have a capital X, not small x. So I fixed that.
Okay, I think we have some issue here in the delete. Let's check if we give our delete name. Delete button. That's what we have here, delete button. Now we have our to-do list working. So here is everything, the code. So let's say free. Let me add. Let's say cook. Let me add. So this one's already done. Let's delete it. Delete. Add. So yeah, thank you for watching my live video.
So that's the end of this video. Wasn't like able to talk to because of my phone storage, and for the screen recording was trying to hang the screen, so I have to stop that one. Now tomorrow I'm going to also learn try and use this knowledge to build a habit tracker that can also add a streak whenever you keep how like you click one habit that you completed, you'll be given a streak. So that's what I'll be building tomorrow. So thank you for joining me. Bye.